Find ourselves at the Guide River this morning. You can see it there in the background. Had a large amount of rain overnight, showers today. We're going to be following the river up to hopefully see Guide Falls powering over the cliffs. Like, subscribe and comment, and let's get into it. The Guide River down there. Better sort of picnic tables for wet weather, and some fairly rudimentary long drop restrooms. Go and have a look in the picnic area. Wheelchair accessible, and with the ubiquitous barbecues for free. So up the hill we go. But before we start, there's a warning. It's about a 10-minute walk. There are steep slopes with minimal fall protection. Falls may result in serious injury or death. Stay on the path. Don't lean over the railings and always use the handrails. Sort of basic stuff, really. Nice view up the river there. And the falls are up around the corner. This section's not wheelchair safe, but the picnic area was. Anything going on? The other side of the river, there's a lot of wattle, or acacias, which are a pioneer species, which means the land's been cleared and then these are coming back. Not the gentlest of slopes, but not a sheer cliff face yet. There are a lot of trees barely attached to the ground, very shallow roots. Attractive gambons here on the side to stabilise the cliff. I'm hoping you can hear the increase in roar that's coming from the falls as we get closer. And there's a close-up of the acacia flowers. Very pretty. And above those, in the background, you can see the rapids below the falls. Zoom out a bit. It's quite a sizable body of water in such a narrow gap. Back on the track. Fallen timber. Probably have to keep your ears peeled for cracking timber while you're walking along here. I certainly am. A real sense of power coming through those little fissures in the rocks. Wouldn't want to be caught in it. Fairly large gums along the side of the path. Definite widow makers if they came down. Interesting looking rock along the side of the path. And another in front of the seat, if you need a break. Wandering along the path. You can see some fallen timber there that's taken out the top railing of the fence along the edge of the path. And some water falling through there fairly quickly. That's not actually Guide Falls yet, that's sort of the bottom end of it. There's some power in that too. There it is from a little bit further up the path. You can wander down there and get closer to the water if you'd like. We'll have a quick look, but we won't go too far. But it is a made path, and there's a chair, and you can see in the background the falls. We'll wait till we get a bit closer to have a better view. Water's certainly moving with some grunt through here. Now the climb gets a bit more serious. And as we come through the corner, there's another rock up on top of the rock. Prone to earthquakes here, so it's nothing to be too concerned about. Stairs are getting steeper. A little viewing platform here. Not much to see. We'll keep moving. If they were steep before, they're more so now. Little spot to rest or to let people pass. Very considerate. Not sure if you can hear, but the water's receding, the sound of it, as the path is leading away from the river but we will come back to it at the top here. And some cows on the other side. Viewing platform up here for both the cows and the falls, so let's have a look. I don't know if we're picking it up, but there's a definite mist in the air from all the water falling, and there it is. And that's the bottle. Fair amount of grunt in it. Quite mesmerising. Plus there's not a lot of projection past this viewing platform. There's a fair drop straight down, which is never one of my favourite things. But we'll wander around to the next viewing platform and have a look at the top of the falls from the other side. Cows are wandering off. They've seen enough. The view of the first lip before she crashes down. We'll get a better view when we get round the corner. Of course, another shot of the wattle. Very comforting. So there's that top shelf, round to the full drop. I'm sure you can see the spray coming up the middle of the screen there. Quite an interesting walk. Something primeval and powerful about waterfalls, particularly after rain. There's a real grunt to them. Makes you realise that humanity's not that important in the scheme of nature. And there she be, pouring over the edge. Fair amount of water.